Guys, we're back with Mack. I mean, Luna actually does better than him, and she's been worked on it a little bit more. But let me tell you what, he's already given this dog, the skank eye. So again, I am going to be ready. Sit. Mack. Sit. Sit. Good. Good. Mack. Heel. Good. Good. Heel. Heel. Good. Wonderful. Heel. Sit. Good. So we're still out of position, so I'm going to just heel. Sit. Heel. Heel. Good. Good. Sit. Good. Trip it over. Good. Oh, it's just bothering him to death that this dog is looming around. Looming. You know, but that's what you've got to feel more comfortable with the, you know, the dog in this proximity, and he's got to see that I don't have a problem with that. All right, so we're going to go around, heel. 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 Good. So he's got to get, and that's what he's got to learn. He's got to get up off his back and heel. Heel. Good. Good. Heel. Good. Heel. Good. Alright, so let's see. Oh, just your little looming face is just looming and looming. Alright, so we'll get him going back a little bit. So remember with that, I was doing that yesterday. You have to kind of do that when he's already standing up. Heel. Heel. Good. Good. Heel. Good. Good. Heel. Good. 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 Right, he needs to make a little adjustment here. Heel. 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 Good. So what I did by stepping over that way, heel. Stepping over that way, it helped him understand. Oh, he doesn't like that other dog looming around, not one bit. Alright, so what I want to do from right here is get him back in position. Or since he's already standing up, I can get him backing up a little bit. Heel. Good, good, good. Heel. Good, 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 good. Heel. Heel. Oh, that wasn't too good. Sit. Heel. Heel. Good, 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 good. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. So to moving forward, I just heel. I move this foot forward. Good. So he can line up with this foot. Heel. Heel. Sit. All right, guys, we're working on him.